All right, Mr. Korb here. This is a video about hyperlinks and really fully understanding hyperlinks. That's the objective here, is understand how they work forward and backward, not just knowing the code, but really knowing how to make them work and using different folders. So not everything has to be in the same folder all the time. So we click on this hyperlinks 2. Okay, the first was the cube. This one is hyperlinks 2, and it pulls up this, says first website. It's kind of acts like a website, and eventually we'll post these. But here's how you should have your folders set up. Okay, let's check out how this works first. So the topic is you. You are going to make a website about your life and important things that happen during those time periods in your life. So this one is my 0 page. It's also my index. If you look up here, it says I was born in Milwaukee, Wisconsin on October 8th, 1979. So there's a picture. These really aren't me. I just found them on Google. A picture of a baby, and this is Milwaukee, Wisconsin, downtown. That's a picture. So then I can move on to the next page. From 0 to 5, I got a baby brother, and my parents moved. That's Madison. 3, from 5 to 10, I started kindergarten, and I learned how to ride a bike. Okay, so on. All the links, you can get to any link from any link. Okay, and when I click on the same link, it stays there. Okay, so it can get real confusing real fast if you don't understand how these hyperlinks work. So let's jump into it. Okay, very first thing I would do is set up your folder. Okay, and set up a folder that looks something similar to this. If you're 16, put 16 as the top age. If you're 17 or 18, put that as the top age. Okay. Then find all of your pictures for every page. Okay. So find your 0 pictures, your second time period, your third time period pictures, and your fourth time period pictures. Okay. And name them something proper that goes with that page. So see, I have 01 and 02, so I know those go with that page. I've got 51, 52, I know those go with that page, and so on. Okay, so those are my pictures. They don't have to be the same size yet, because you're going to rename them. This looks like it's an extra picture. You're gonna resize those to look nice. So. So I'm using Notepad here. I have a template already set up, so you probably do. I told you guys to, so hopefully you do. Otherwise, go find a template or start a new page. Okay, and I'm just going to call this My Life in my title. Okay, then in the body section, let's just jump right into it with the heading. And I'm not going to format stuff to make it look nice. You can do that later. So I'm going to say, I was born in Wisconsin. Let's just do that. BR. Yeah, okay, and then we're ready for the pictures. IMG SRC equals quote 01. Quote. Let's just say 175 is a good size. Close your picture. Okay, I need 2 pictures, so copy, paste, give it a different name, 02. Okay. And I'm going to use this little previewer. I've mentioned this before. It's called Preview HTML. That way you see exactly what shows up right away. Okay? And my pictures aren't showing up. The reason is this page does not know how to find my pictures. So if I look at my folder, my pictures are all in a folder called Images. And here is my page. So it cannot find those. So what you need to do is you need to tell it to go into this folder and find these pictures. So the code I need to add is images / because then it finds that folder, and then it works. There, now it finds my pictures. Okay, now let's do the hyperlinks. ahref equals quote. I'm going to also include the hyperlink to this page because I'm using this page as kind of a template. So this one was called index.html. Let's just call it 0 / and my link. Okay, so that works just fine. I want to space these out. You'll see. Well, I'll do them in a second so you can see. So I'm going to take this and paste it 3 more times. Okay, and see, I don't really like how that looks, so I'm going to space those out. And there's multiple ways to do it. You could do them this way. You could stack them, put paragraph tags in. You can do whatever you want to them. I don't really care how you do it, as long as it looks nice and they're clean. That being said, my stuff isn't going to look real clean because I'm just going to try to go through this demo kind of quickly. But I'll do that at least. Okay, and that's because I think this little extra thing, yeah. So this is going to be, this is my 0, that's my index. This is going to be my 0 to 5 section. This is going to be my 5 to 10. If I'm overlapping, do whatever you want. I guess technically I should do 6 to 10 here. And then this one should be 11 to, I think I said 17. Okay, looks good. All right. Now, I'm going to predict ahead of time what my pages are going to be called. Okay, so this page I will call 0 to 5.html. This page I'll call 6 to 10.html. And this page I'll call 11 to 17.html. Okay, now these pages don't work yet, okay, because there's nothing there. This is the only page. So let's save this and just check this out so far. Okay, I click on it, it looks like it still works. If I click on this, it says it's a broken page because that page technically does not exist yet. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I save this. I'm going to put those in those folders so that the page will start to work. So I go back here, copy this, paste, rename it 0-5.html, paste 6.10.html and 11 to 17.html. Okay. Then it's also a real good idea to do a quick edit on this page and at least change this so you know you're on different pages. Otherwise, if every single page looks the same, you start getting confused. Okay. So I'm just going to do that. Save and close. Do the same thing to the other ones. Save and close, and then the last one too. So hopefully you understand what I'm saying of why I'm doing this, just so the pages at least look different. Did I not? This one was left over from before, I think. And I forgot to delete it, so we'll just, let's just do a new one. Okay, good. Now let's fix these links so they work. Okay, I'm back to the index page. So if we look at my folder here, I'm on the index page and I want to go inside of this folder and find this file. So to go inside, I have to type 0-5/ this represents a folder. Okay, same thing here. 6-10 slash 11-17 slash. That's a folder, and so hopefully all these will work. Let's check it. Okay, there's the bell. Hopefully the kids don't come in and start getting loud and annoying. Okay, here's that first page. Okay, so this page works. This takes me to, I might have to refresh this one. Did I not save it? 0-5, 0-5. Oh, I added a double HTML in the end. That's a problem. Let's try it again. So this page we already checked works. This page now works, okay? But only this page works, so I have to click back, and then now this page works, click back, because none of those pages work yet. I haven't fixed those yet. I'm just fixed this one. And this page, oh, I must not have renamed that one yet. But all these pages work, and also the 0 works when I just stay on it, okay? So this works, it's just my pictures don't work. So let's just fix those pictures real quick so you can see. All I have to do is do ... slash, and then those pictures should show up. Okay, and I have to change the name. 5-1, good. ... slash. Oops. And 5-2. Now those pictures work. This page, the pictures work on this page, but now the links still don't work. So I have to change these. So now to go from here back to the 0, I have to add a ... slash to images, or to the index. Now that's going to work when it goes back. This page, it's going to work, so I can fix this for starters. I can just leave it like this, and that's fine. Good. I have to add a ... slash 6-10 to that. Now that should work. I have to do the same kind of idea to this one. 11-17 slash, and that should work now also. Okay. And I have to add a dot there in the front. Okay. Remember, ... slash means go back a folder, and then you have to show the folder. So let's save this and check this one out. Okay, refresh. So now those pictures should work, and I should be able to go back to the 0 page. Perfect. I should now be able to, now I can use these links to kind of go, instead of clicking back, now go back here. I should be able to click on itself and it stays on its page. I should be able to go to 6-10. It works, but the page, obviously this doesn't work yet because I haven't fixed it. But now I have to click back, and I should be able to go to 11-17, which it works, I just haven't switched this. So now my 0-5 page and my 0 page fully work. Okay, that kind of wraps it up. The biggest thing to remember is, let's look at this folder here. When you're going forward, you have to put a folder name, the name of the folder, and a slash. And when you have to go backwards, you have to do a ... slash. Okay, those are the biggest things to remember. Keep yourself organized, and keep your files named correctly, and this should go fairly smooth for you. I just was speeding this up, but make it look nice. Use one page of the template. Do really nice formatting, things like that. Background color, different fonts, different font sizes, things like that. Center things, all that good jazz, and make things look nice. And every page should be able to go to every page from every page. Okay, and that's how it works. So that's it.